Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an inventory system in Unreal Engine 5. First, we'll establish the foundational elements, including setting up your project structure. We'll then define the core data types for your items, like their names and descriptions. Finally, we'll lay the groundwork for the user interface, ensuring a smooth start to your inventory development journey. This initial setup is crucial for a robust system. Next, let's dive into managing your item data and the logic behind it. You'll learn to define unique properties for each item, such as its name, a specific weight, or a maximum stack size, perhaps 25 items. We'll then implement the essential functions for adding new items to the inventory and removing them. This includes handling item quantities and ensuring stack limits are respected, along with basic item usage. Now, let's bring your inventory to life visually by building the user interface. We'll design the individual inventory slots and arrange them effectively. You'll learn how to connect these visual elements directly to your back-end inventory data, ensuring everything stays synchronized. We'll also implement intuitive drag-and-drop functionality for moving items and set up the display of item details when an item is selected, enhancing player interaction. Finally, let's explore some advanced features to make your inventory system truly comprehensive. We'll cover how to implement item persistence, allowing players to save and load their inventory progress. You'll also learn to add sorting and filtering options, making large inventories manageable. We'll integrate with character equipment slots and discuss optimization techniques to ensure smooth performance, even with hundreds of items, providing a polished player experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.